Good Monday, everyone. Our weather map for today shows high pressure firmly in control of the eastern United States. In fact, much of the U.S. is looking very quiet today. We'll actually have some southerly breezes returning around the backside of these high pressures, and that'll give us a warming trend that you'll certainly feel by this afternoon. Of course, your eyes can't help but be drawn to the west coast, where very heavy rainfall will once again be affecting the state of California. Even at the threat for tornadoes across northern California with some of those stronger storms today. So a very active day for those folks. And of course, very heavy mountain snows. We'll be tracking that system as it moves east over the coming days. Looking at our 5-day forecast brought to you by Clearview Closet and Blind. Mostly sunny for our Monday, highs around 50, just a light west breeze out there. Tuesday, some clouds and sun. Those clouds should be breaking up though by later in the afternoon. Partly cloudy skies overall, highs in the low 50s. And then by Wednesday, the winds start to pick up. It's mostly sunny, highs around 60. If it just weren't for those southerly winds gusting to 25 miles per hour by the afternoon and evening, and especially as we go into the overnight. But on Thursday, those winds really ramp up. South 10 to 15, gusts to 30, with rain and storms developing. And we'll have to watch some of those storms and make sure they don't get on the strong side. Highs around 60. And then by Friday, everything clears out, mostly sunny and highs around 50. Not a lot of cold air behind this system. It's Pacific in origin, so there's no Arctic air behind it, but still north winds 10 to 15, gusts to 20. But again, highs still around 50 for Friday. So looking at our severe weather threats brought to you by Premier Generators. This is for Thursday and Thursday night. I've gone ahead and started highlighting the low risk for some straight line winds, large hail, a very small risk maybe for a tornado. I'll have to monitor this as we go through the week. Right now it looks like we could get a batch of thunderstorms early in the day and then another batch later in the day. And that later in the day round into the evening is what we might have to be a little bit mindful of. Again, it's a little early to know the specifics and to know just how this threat may evolve. But it is something to keep an eye on. We are already in that time of the year that we have to be mindful of these systems as they push through our area. So I'll keep you posted, and I'll let you know how this system evolves as it moves closer to our area by Thursday and Thursday night. On this day in 1960, we weren't worried about severe thunderstorms. Sparta received 10 inches of snowfall, its greatest one-day snowfall ever. And in 1884, severe thunderstorms spawned 60 tornadoes in the southeast U.S., killing more than 420 people. And $3 million in damage, and that was in 1884. Georgia and the Carolinas were hardest hit in this tornado outbreak. Again, it's that time of year, folks, where we got to start being a little bit more weather aware. But we're not weather aware for our Monday. It is a beautiful day. Get out there and enjoy it if you can. If you need even more weather information, you know where to go, meteorologistmark.com.